In Revit 2015, Autodesk introduced a new feature called Sketchy lines. If you move your cursor down and then select on the Visual Styles button, move your cursor up, then select on Graphic Display Options. From the Graphic Display Options dialog box, expand out Sketchy lines by clicking on the little triangle to the left of the word Sketchy lines. You will see an option that says Enable Sketchy lines. Put a check mark next to that, and two options will appear. One is called Jitter, the other Extension. Jitter will make your lines very squiggly. So if we click on this bar here, pull it far over toward the right-hand side, then click on Apply, we can now see in the 3D view that we have some squiggly lines that make up our building. If we click on OK, then zoom in toward one of the corners of the building, we should be able to see this quite a bit better. And wherever this cursor is located at, when we spun the wheel on the mouse, that's how we zoomed in to the upper corner of the building. If we want to change this further, we can do that by once again coming back down here to the Visual Styles button, Graphic Display Options, expanding out Sketchy lines, and now expand out Extension. Extension will add an extension line to the end of this squiggly line. If we click on Apply, we can now see the lines extend beyond the edges whenever the line gets to the end of where it's supposed to be drawn. If we need to further modify this to make it the way that we want to see it, we can pull the bar over, or we can even type in the number in one of the boxes. In this case, I'm making them both 5, select on Apply, and now we can see that it's less wavy and there's less of an extension on the end. If we would click on OK at this point, it would now leave these wavy lines as well as the extension lines here inside of this view. Also, we could clear out Enable Sketchy Lines, click on OK, then zoom out by just spinning the wheel on the mouse again, and we can see that by shutting off that setting, those lines will no longer show up as being squiggled or longer here inside of the view.